Welcome back to another episode of Chasing Outdoors. I am out here today at a new pond that I've never fished before, and I am throwing big swim baits all day. I tried to throw them last time. You guys seen when I caught that 4-pounder, ended up catching that on just a small popper. But today I am dedicating all day to just throwing big swim baits, and this pond, the homeowner told me he feeds these fish a lot, that they're really big, so we're gonna find out. We're gonna throw big baits at them and see just how big these fish are in here. Word has it, he has stocks from smallmouth in here, and if you guys have ever caught smallmouth before, you know just how fantastic it is to catch smallmouth. So I'm gonna go ahead and start throwing swim bait around, and I'll catch you guys on the GoPro, kind of go over more what we're doing, and let's see if we can get on some big largemouth, and hopefully, apparently, the smallmouth, the biggest one that he knows that's in here, is 5 pounds. Let's see if we can catch it. I know I said I was going to throw big baits only today, but at the very least I want to catch something on camera for you guys. So we're going to take a 4.8 inch keitech on the underspin. Ooh, backlash a little bit. Let's get that out of there. Oh yeah. I know the smallies got to be over here by all these rock piles. Oh, bad hook set. Bad hook set. There we go. You quit it. Just trying to crank it over those rocks. Oh, you guys are wet. Just trying to crank it over that rocks, and he, little skinny guy. Well, there's fish in this pond at least. Let's see if we can slow crank it over those rocks again. I was hoping for a smallie, but thought I was snagged on a rock. Didn't even set the hook good. Got us another one. Whole largemouth bass. Got us another little one on the keitech. Keitech putting in work today. Putting in work today. All I'm doing, guys, is casting and giving it about a half second or so. Get a little below the surface, and I'm just burning it in. It's hot this time of the year. These fish don't want it slow, they want it fast. So I am hooked. I'm all hooked back up. Got the weedless presentation. And we're gonna get back down there. I mean, I've been casting for a while now and didn't get hits, and I changed this weedless setup. There's a lot of leaves down here. Changed that weedless setup, and I've done got a lot of hits because I don't have to reel it so fast. So let's see if that is the ticket or not. I mean, I've done had like 4 bites back to back, so it could be the color too, because I just put a different color on than what we had on this when I started casting and catching them. So if I don't get any bites on here, then I know it's the color, and I will go ahead and change that. Oh yeah, old smallmouth. Whew, calm down, guy. Calm down, buddy. It'll be okay. Hey, you little shit. Well, that'll be the second smallmouth of the day. First one you guys got on camera. Got that one on the weedless keitech. 4.8 silver flash minnow. Let's go ahead and get a release on this guy or gal. I will say with these ponds that have different coves like this, man, definitely find the cove that has all the wind pushed up into it. It's gonna push all the fry, especially right now in this time of the year, it's gonna push all the fry back here. If you got bait back here, you got fish back here. I'm not saying you ain't gonna catch them in the rest of the pond, but you have a better chance, I think, in my personal opinion, of catching fish back into the coves the wind are blowing on. Fishing from a boat, it's not always so fun because the wind's blowing you around, but if you're shore fishing, you can walk the bank. I'd definitely recommend fishing any of the pockets or coves that the wind's blowing into. It's a windy day too, I'm sure you guys already know this, but throw moving baits. You ain't finessing too much in this. It's probably about 15-mile-an-hour winds. I don't throw finesse, so maybe you can, maybe you can't. I just throw moving baits. I'm impatient. Ooh, he just smacked it. Oh, there's a fish like right here, guys. I just seen a shadow come up and hit it. Damn. He's right here. Let's see if we can get him. Oh, my reel is messed up. Oh, guys, what is happening? What is happening, guys? There's definitely a fish right here. Hopefully you guys picked that up. I don't know if the camera got it, but he smacked it right at shore. Let's see. We'll slow it down. Looks like another smallmouth from the shadows. I was correct. Oh, knock it off. Stop, stop, stop. Hey, listen, Jerry. Jerry, stop. Hey, you little slippery shit. Whoa, guys. This is just turning into a old smallmouth bite, huh? I'll take it. It might not be a big one, but I will take a smallmouth anytime I can get it. Let's get a release on him. Whew! Let's get another one, guys. That's like, I think maybe 3 smallmouth you guys have seen. One I caught that was way bigger than all the other ones off camera, but that one doesn't count because you guys didn't see it. We're gonna get back down there though. Like I was saying, guys, it's pretty simple. It's a little keitech, like a 4-inch keitech. I don't even remember what ounce this lead is. Just a little underspin on it. We just casting and slow reeling, baby. Oh baby. Oh baby, largemouth. Hey, you quit it. There we go. I don't even know what number this is, guys. But we catching them. We are catching them today. Got him that time. You quit it. Got him that time. That's a good bass. Oh, look what you made me do, buddy. Alright guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. The goal was to come out here and throw big swim baits, and that's what I was doing for a while, and it just wasn't happening. And then once I got down towards the other end where I started to actually catch all the fish, it was just really shallow. I snagged it twice. I did not want to take a chance at losing my swim bait, so I said, hey, I done got it back twice. Third time I knew I wouldn't get it back, so I was not going to risk it. So today just turned into throwing a keitech, you know, just a little paddle tail. And I caught a bunch of smallmouth and a bunch of largemouth. Nothing big on the largemouth. I did catch a big smallmouth, but like I've said about 1,000 times, you guys didn't see it. The camera wasn't on, so it doesn't count for you guys. But I had a hell of a day, and I used my judgment with the wind blowing back into the cove, way back in there. And I said, hey, let's go back that way. Let's stop fishing up this way. And it paid off. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on. If you like the video, like the video. If you don't, as always, tell me what you don't like about it so I can fix it, maybe adjust it for you. Or if you're just a loser and you don't like the video, then don't like the video. But thank you guys so much for watching.